Ishwar, you want to share because I think you just texted me how you got that $2,500 sale. If you can elaborate it more.
Yeah, sure. I would love to share.
Yeah, what worked for you? I will rather would love to know that.
I would love to hear that also.
Fantastic.
Excited, bro.
Yeah.
Excited?
Yes.
It's also getting recorded and you can
Because this
afterwards
person
take
was,
it.
from the starting, he was hungry. Like, hey, bro, how
Uh,
to do this?
And I think me and Rizwan were discussing,
Yeah, we
man,
already
this
discussed it.
person will definitely crack it no matter what because he's hungry. That's the one criteria. If you really want the sales, hunger, man, hunger.
Yeah.
And you proved it. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Very, very.
Because of you that I got the sale.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, this one is one of the best decision I took this coaching with you.
Oh,
and thank you so much for everything. Like if I didn't take this decision, still I was before how I was 1 month before. So I was still, I think, suffering for it to get first sale. So yeah, I changed my
sale
mind.
of $2,500. Fantastic.
Yeah.
Loved it, man. Yeah.
This is the best thing, like his first sale.
Yeah,
And
it's
it's
my
directly the high ticket one.
Yeah. So how you did that?
Yeah, like whatever you taught me, that I followed, and it's a simple thing. Like I tried many things and learned so many things. So starting point, you cut off everything, and you change the mindset. That still I didn't get any testimonials and nothing. Even like in my profile, I didn't have anything. Right now, still. So still, yeah. Through your process, that it's a simple serve the people and doing comment marketing. That's all. And attend the sales call. So so nothing more. Like I didn't create any content. Even in my profile, I didn't have anything.
Where do you target it, bro? Like, where is the client from?
Yeah,
yeah.
From I found that person from ClickFunnels, and I support him, that person. So finally, I didn't think that that guy going to be my client. So yeah.
And how many sales call you did in that 1 month?
In this month, I think 5 or 6 calls.
20% conversion. Fantastic, man. Fantastic.
Yeah, still I have 2 hot leads still. Yeah.
Trophy. I have the trophy, man.
Yeah.
And the target is in June.
Yeah, definitely.
So I'll get that name printed and I'll send it to you.
Yeah, definitely.
Let's make it happen in June itself, right? We have another 8 days to go. Another 25K and you get the 5K trophy.
Yeah, I would love to get that trophy.
I didn't get, he's not posting content, Ishwar, you're not posting content.
Yeah.
So from where did you get the client? Like, what is ClickFunnels? Do we get clients there?
Yeah,
You'll come to know.
Yeah,
Gold
it depends. Yeah,
gold mine. It's gold mine.
Yeah,
that's what we don't share outside.
Gold mines for funnel builders.
Yeah.
Especially.
Basically funnel builders.
Yeah, like before I was also thinking that most of the coaches tell me that you have to create the content and so many things I have to do that. So it was not able, it's very hard to do all in all. So what happened, Rahul Bhai told me to cut off everything. You don't have to work, only try to serve the people. So what you have. So he taught us that comment marketing and sort how to make offer and how to deal a sales call. That's all. I learned that much. Still, I have to learn lots of things, but I did only simple these things. I shifted my mind and it works. Like within a month.
And when he was about to join me, he said, "Bro, what I will do? I'm planning to go live for next 30 days."
Yeah.
And he was all set to go there. Right? I said, "Bro, it is not required, man. It's not required. You need money on the table. Going live is not for you."
No,
And then
actually, really, like so many profiles, no, Rahul. It's like if you see the content, nobody gets trust from the profiles. But then I am like, oh my God, how is this person earning in this? So I don't understand that stuff,
Mhm.
see, I will tell you one secret. Okay? It's very important to hire a coach. I'm telling you, from my own experience, I'm telling you. When I didn't had a coach, I mean, when I was not close to a coach. By coach, I mean that you can ask questions and that person can tweak the things for you. That's the coach, and not like you joined a course and you don't have access to that person. That's not actually the coaching program. I'm talking about the real coaching program. Coaching program is the best solution for you. There has to be a human who will tell you, bro, don't do this, do this, don't do this, don't this, do this. So my best learning is, the first thing is, always have a coach who can tell
Answer
you
your
what to do
questions.
in your next step,
Yes.
as your next step. And the second thing is, what maximum people go wrong, where they go wrong is, they they feel so confident about, yeah, I just funnel act this guy. I've seen he's creating a TikTok video, and this next step is he's bringing people inside this and doing this. Got it. I'll go and do it. Now you go and do it, and you feel, "Hey, it's working for him. Why is it not working for me?" Because there are so many intricacies, small things which you will never come to know what that person is doing at the back end. Right? The game is happening in his mind. The person who designed it. Just by looking at it, you'll not come to know what exactly is happening. You'll only come to know what it is at the front end. That's it. At the back end, what is happening, you will never come to know. That's one of the secrets.